Hi and welcome. Mastering Natural Language Processing with Python by Nishit Joshi, Deepti Chopra and Iti Mathur. This is a video course by Packt Publishing. I am Drew Campbell and I will be the presenter for this course. Nishit Joshi works as an associate professor at Banastali University. His areas of interest include computational linguistics, natural language processing and artificial intelligence. Besides this, he is also very actively involved in the development of MT engines for English to Indian languages. He is one of the experts empaneled with the TDIL program, Department of Information Technology, Government of India, a premier organisation that oversees language technology funding and research in India. He has several publications in various journals and conferences, and also serves on the program committees and editorial boards of several conferences and journals. Deepti Chopra is an assistant professor at Banastali University. Her primary area of research is computational linguistics, natural language processing and artificial intelligence. She is also involved in the development of MT engines for English to Indian languages. She has several publications in various journals and conferences and also serves on the program committees of several conferences and journals. Iti Mathur is an assistant professor at Banastali University. Her areas of interest are computational semantics and ontological engineering. Besides this, she is also involved in the development of MT engines for English to Indian languages. She is one of the experts empaneled with TDIL program, Department of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, a premier organisation that oversees language technology funding and research in India. She has several publications in various journals and conferences and also serves on the program committees and editorial boards of several conferences and journals. Now before we start, let's have a look at our journey at one glance. The first section, working with strings, explains how to perform processing tasks on text, such as tokenization and normalization, and also explains various string matching measures. Moving to the next section, part of speech tagging, identifying words, we will explain parts of speech tagging and statistical modeling involving the n-gram approach. After that, in the following section, parsing, analyzing training data, we will share some interesting information on the concepts of tree bank construction, CFG construction, the CYK algorithm, the chart parsing algorithm, and transliteration. The fourth section is about semantic analysis, which talks about the concept and application of shallow semantic analysis, that is, NER, and WSD using WordNet. And our final section, Discourse Analysis and Evaluation of NLP Systems, deals with object recognition and machine learning, and how to use support vector machines to build an object classification system. We will also talk about understanding and applying the concepts of evaluating NLP systems. By the end of this course, you will be able to implement string matching algorithms and normalization techniques along with statistical language modeling techniques. You could develop a search engine and implement POS tagging concepts and statistical modeling concepts involving the n-gram approach. At the same time, you will be familiarized with concepts such as the tree bank construct, CFG construction, the CYK chart parsing algorithm, and the early chart parsing algorithm. We will have developed an NER-based system and understand and apply the concepts of semantic analysis. Of course, you could understand and implement the concepts of information retrieval and text summarization. You could also develop a discourse analysis system and a NAFRA resolution-based system. This is an easy-to-follow guide, full of hands-on examples of real-world tasks. Each topic is explained and placed in context, and for the more inquisitive, there are more details of the concepts used. This course is intended for anyone who is an intermediate level developer in NLP with a reasonable knowledge level and understanding of Python. And you just need a machine with Jupyter Notebook installed on it, along with Python version 3.6 or above. So let's not wait and get started with this amazing journey right now.